Now, what is the main goal for running your art channel? Now, obviously, if you're an artist, it's to make art, but I think it goes a little deeper than that. Now, if it's to be a big YouTuber, that's great and all, but I hate to break the bad news to you. You in the same rat race as everybody else and so many other people. But if not, it's obvious that you're gonna grow your business as an artist. You may be asking, why am I on the floor? And you got a good reason for that. Now, as a YouTuber, we all start at zero, hence why I'm on the floor at ground zero. Now, my biggest struggle was coming up with content and uploading consistently, and the biggest reason is because I wasn't treating my YouTube channel like a business, and I didn't even plan. Now, I researched some of the top YouTubers in the art niche, and there was a few things that they all had in common.
Now, the common things on why their channel was able to be successful was they consistently uploaded, they had their own website, they repurposed their own video content into their own merchandise to sell. They had Patreon accounts, they had their own personal affiliates to where they can make their own money, and they sold courses.
And it all came down to one thing that they was doing that I wasn't, and it was planning. Now, when you don't plan your business, it'll never grow unless you take it seriously and put in the work. Okay, now I'm pretty sure you already know what having a business plan would do for your art business, but let me let you in on the little secret, what they're not telling you. Now, there are so many platforms for you to grow on besides YouTube or Instagram, so here's a few just in case you don't know.
Etsy, Gumroad, Printify, where you can print off your own t-shirts, DeviantArt, ArtStation, and Artist Network.
But what I found out was that the YouTube platform provided the most opportunity for any artist looking to grow an audience. Okay, let me be real with you, artist to artist. Now, I'm not a big YouTube artist, and you may be thinking, why in the hell should I listen to him? And you have a very valid reason. But to answer your question, I will say if you're a YouTube artist like me, you want to grow your channel, then we share a common interest. And I genuinely care because we on the same path and the same journey to grow an audience. And to show you that I care, I created a business plan package free of charge. You can use this towards your art channel so it can help you grow, but a little more on that in a second. Now, there are so many steps to making a YouTube video, let alone running a whole YouTube channel. So to make things easier, I split everything up into 4 simple phases to make things easier for you so you can digest all of this content and actually get everything you need from this video to get up and running and started with your YouTube channel with a solid business plan. For this, I use Notion to create this solid business plan for my channel. I use this for everything all the way down from my channel goals, all the way down to my uploading schedule, even my titles, even my keywords, and yes, even my thumbnails, and so much more. Now, Notion is free to use. You don't have to pay for it. It's free. Once you sign up, it's free forever. There's no free trials or anything like that. So make sure you check out the link in the description below and make sure you sign up for Notion to create your business plan. The first phase is the overall channel phase. Now, in the beginning, this is where you will spend a lot of your time because this is where you'll begin to get a clear understanding of what your channel is, who your channel is for, the audience that you're trying to reach with your channel. You know, getting a clear understanding of what your channel would be about, the goals you want for your channel, you know, the short-term goals, the long-term goals, the monthly goals that you want for your channel. Now, in this phase, I want to be more honest with myself and not give some unreachable goal in like a year's time to reach like 100,000 subs in a year. Not saying that it can't be done, but thinking realistically. But instead, I want to give myself a goal that was easy to reach, and that way I could show myself that I was growing over a steady period of time. Now, for phase 2, this is the most important phase because in this phase, you want to get a clear understanding of what topics you want to talk about in your channel. Now, recently, I just came out with a video talking about that, on how you could easily do that and how it can make things easier for your channel. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go check that video out right there. You don't want to miss it because it will help you out a whole lot in this phase and it will save you a lot of time. Now, what I can say about phase 2 is this. Now with phase 2, this is the step to where you just start to define what your niche is about. And we all know when you pick the wrong niche, you really won't have that much success. So picking the right niche is important for this phase. For example, your channel is about art. That can be a broad topic. Here in this step, I pick broad topics that I like and I think that my subscribers would like, and the videos that will help them as well to give them some form of value. Now, if this video is helping you, please be sure to hit the like button so this video can be picked up by the YouTube algorithm and help other artists just like you. Now for phase 3, in my opinion, this is where you will spend a lot of your time. Coming up with good quality videos is the hardest part, but that's where viral videos start. I mean, seriously, if you just made a video without giving it any thought, do you really expect to get any views? No. Now with this step, I type in whatever idea that comes to my mind and add in the things to help refine what the video is about. Things that I want to see in the video, what kind of story is it about, what style of video it is, things like that. Now, what I like the most about phase 3 is you don't have to be in front of your computer to even do anything with this phase. All you need is your phone. Now, the Notion app is available for Mac and Android, but it's only available for Android 8 versions or higher. Now for me, I tend to use this a lot while I'm at work or running errands or just watching TV or something like that. Even if I'm in the middle of editing the video, creative inspiration hits. I mean, let's be real. You never know when the idea for a video is gonna hit, and you always have your phone close around, right? I mean, seriously, it beats waiting to get home and just trying to type all this out on the computer and in the end forgetting what the idea was really about. Now for phase 4, this is where the fun really begins because everything is all about your video. In this step, I broke it down in 2 simple stages to where you can understand and you'll build a solid video every time using these steps. For the first stage, I write a rough title for the idea and then I add the niche that it's related to. Here I set the status to idea because I haven't started filming anything yet. Next, you'll see publish date, affiliate links, and URL. Now the publish date is the final day that you'll release that video and upload it to YouTube. Now when you set the publish date, it'll automatically be added into your content calendar. Next is the affiliate links. Now, this will help you to keep track of every affiliate link that you put in on every video, and it also help you to keep track of the income that you'll make over a span of time. And the last thing is the URL. Now this will be the YouTube video, and this will actually help you to keep track of all your URL links, so you'll be able to refer things to your audience if needed. Now, I know this may seem like a lot, but trust me, when you get going, you won't want to use anything else. Now, the second stage is for the creation of your video. Now, in this stage, this is where you want to go all out and put everything in your video that you want to put into it. Everything down from writing out your script, everything down from your keywords to your titles, even how you want your thumbnail to look. It'll go in this section. So to get to it from your content calendar, if you hover over the title, you will see a button that says open. Just click that and you on your way. After writing out your title, the ideas for your thumbnails, there are 2 main sections. It's a script and your checklist. Now in the script, this is where you want to plan your video from front to back, what you want to say in your video, how you want to structure your video. And even this video right here that you're watching, I use the same method. Now using this section will save you so much time because everything will go smooth, even all the way down to the edit. You know exactly how you want your video to be. Now, since I like to create cinematic videos, I created a section that says shot list. I use this to plan out all my shots from beginning to end. Now, if you don't like cinematic videos or you don't make cinematic videos, then just skip it. Next is the checklist. After writing out a script of my video and uploading to YouTube, I go straight through the checklist and go check off everything that's on it and make sure I don't forget anything. By doing this will help give my video the best chance to succeed on YouTube, and hopefully it can get picked up in the algorithm. like this one. But right now the business plan gives you a solid direction to grow your channel, but that's only half the battle because you're missing one thing. And by watching this video, fixing this can help you improve your videos massively.